This video is not sponsored in any way possible, but Nike, if you want to hit your girl up, please do, because you know I'm the girl for you.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a little different. I never did a actual review on shoes,
But I ordered me some Nikes and I absolutely love them. Like, from the bottom of my heart, they are so cute and they were on sale, so I had to buy them.
This video is not sponsored in any way.
Nike, hello. If you're interested in me and my reviews, just send me an email, okay? And I'll be glad to review anything that y'all want to send me. I also work out, so send me some workout clothes too. You know what I'm saying?
Anyways, guys, let's jump straight into this video.
Okay, so I ordered my Nike shoes straight from the Nike website. This is the box that it comes in. Of course, they give you your order slip. Which has your confirmation, just telling you what you bought. The name of the shoes that I bought are the Women's Air Vapormax 2019. I have them in like a gray and a bluish color. Okay. Okay.
This is the box. I love the box. It's so cute.
Y'all, like, have y'all ever seen anything like this before? No, you haven't. Okay. This is the little machine. I love this. You see that? And it's not just the camera, y'all. This thing is really shining. Like, I just love the box in there. Y'all, these right here. Let me tell you.
Just show y'all the magic of these right here. These are so cute. Oh my goodness. Yes.
This is what the bottom of the shoe looks like. I think the full price for these shoes are about $180. I caught them on sale for about $140, $150. Inside of it, it comes with like a foam that you can just take out, which is kind of cool because you just never know.
You know, you just never know if you're going to need it for anything else. So the fact that it just comes out, I love it. And it has the little tag up there, the little Nike tag, of course. And I just love it. I just love how that comes out. I think that's really dope.
The inside of the shoe, the texture of the actual shoe is very light, as you can see. So this is really something that you can actually work out in. You don't have to worry about it getting damaged.
And I really bought it just to work out in.
Yeah, guys, this is great. This reminds me of like a football cleat. Anyways, guys, so yes, if you guys want to order this, this is a size 8.5.
If you guys like this, go straight to the Nike website. Go check it out.
Anyways,
you guys have a blessed day. Thank you.
This video is not sponsored in any way. However, Nike, hello.